Prevent cross-threading tank bolts by finding the starting thread with a reverse turn, then hand tightening until snug before any tool contact. Start by backing the nut counterclockwise until you feel a click or slight drop, which means the nut has engaged the thread correctly. If you force it forward, you risk stripping the plastic or brass threads. Use only your fingers to run the nut down at least 2 full turns so you can feel resistance and alignment, and keep the bolt square to the tank base by holding the bolt steady with one hand while turning the nut with the other. If the bolt threads are damaged, replace the bolt and nut rather than fighting them, because a compromised thread will not seal and can lead to leaks. When you do need more torque, use a hand tool with padded jaws and apply short, even turns while alternating sides on 2 bolts to compress the gasket evenly. For plastic threaded shanks, stop at a finger tight plus a quarter turn with a wrench and test for movement. For brass shanks, stop at a firm hand tight only because metal over torque can crack the tank. Finally, always test by filling the tank partially and checking for any movement or seepage before final tightening. Common mistakes are forcing the nut forward when alignment is off, which strips threads, so reverse the nut until it clicks and start again by hand. Over-tightening with a large wrench, which cracks tanks or crushes gaskets, so limit tool use and tighten incrementally with a small adjustable wrench only if needed. And mismatching bolt and nut materials or sizes, which causes binding or leakage, so confirm thread pitch and material compatibility and replace mismatched parts before installation. We run BigHomeProjects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to help contractors find work that matches their skills. We also host a discussion community where users share tips, ask installation questions, and post photos so we can all learn best practices together.